All right, y'all, what's up? Good morning. Welcome to another beautiful day out here. But today's objective, as we see here, since we lifted the cargo, we got about 20 plus inches from the ground until we get to that first step. What my objective is to install a step right below. I'm gonna mount it, weld it, screw it to the bottom. There will be a pull-out step. So that's what I'm gonna get to now. It seems like there might be a handful of things that are involved in this process, a lot of which I'll figure out as I go. But yeah, that's the objective. So let's get to it.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
There we have it. Step finally installed. It's on there sturdy, so as long as the step itself doesn't give out, this thing ain't coming off. I bolted it and welded it, so it's on there. It ain't going nowhere. But yeah, pretty simple operation. Just fold it down. There you go, you got a step. So on to the next task of the day, after I clean up it first.